Today, I'm finally doing an unboxing. Like, it's unboxing na yun. Okay? Ano siya yung box and yeah. What quarantine did to me was online shopping. Lol. I just tried. I tried my luck. Budol-budol dyan taan yung mga sale. And yeah, actually, it's my first time to buy online from Muji. You know, Muji is like, it's a Japanese brand. And so this is the cover. Actually, I bought a floor chair. It's large and I didn't know if it's really that large. Like, wala din ko nag-expect na large kaya siya. Kaya So large din siya, Marag. Kasi naman siguro ko. Kasi ribbon, char. Nag-unboxing ko gano'n akong isa ka-friends. So, na-inspire ko sa yung unboxing. Ako yun guys. Like, it's so big. Kaya dako man ang chair, malamang. Actually, abrihan na siya katong nag-deliver. Pero kung siya ibalik para char, para unboxing. Like, nako dyan guys siya. Bugat pa dyan guys siya. Shucks. So, saan na kami? Oh! Papalaban tayo guys. Palaban. Conscious pag yun sa camera. Actually, na-fold. Lubugan yun guys siya. Like, barato na siya. Hindi ko siya barato pa. Gusto na ko, di siya kuhaan og cellophane. Taran! Actually, naputol ang video kay na-updan ang storage ang phone. Stupid, no? So, makuday niya siya ang floor chair by Muji. By Muji. So, nice kayo siya. Like, nice kayo siya for meditation. Yeah, I know, I'm fat. Ako kayo kong bukton. Pero, yeah, it's so cool. Oh, char. And yeah, it's so sad na naputol akong video. Though naman ko yung time-lapse sa other angle. So, yeah, you should buy this guys when you want a me time alone in your house. Tapos mo to, find your place in your house. Unsa ni guys? So, pwede rin siya ma-flat. Demo ni. Ay, dili. Unsa ito? Ana. Diba? So yeah, it's so cool and it's worth it. So, pero na-stress jud ko kay nakat ang video like wala na ninyo nakita na wala lang. Wala niyo nakita yun. Coveran ako siya. Nag-struggle ko doon. Naman sa time-lapse. Dili pa doon makita kung na-struggle yun ba. So, yeah. I think that would be all. Stay safe, everyone.